How to disable Smart Shuffle in the Spotify app. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you a simple step for you to be able to disable Smart Shuffle on a certain feature in your Spotify application. But first, all I have to do is, of course, open up your Spotify app and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now, below, you should be able to see Home, Search, your library, Premium, and Create. Now choose on your library, and this is where you can actually access all the playlist that you've added either to a customized folder or maybe into your like songs. Now access any specific folder that you have in your library. So for example, on this one, so the Smart Shuffle is actually left side of the play button. If you tap on the shuffle icon, you will be asked if you would like to control how you listen. So for a Freebase users, you won't be able to choose any of the options, but the shuffle is already enabled as to default. However, if you would like to turn off Smart Shuffle, then you'll have to try the 4 months for a certain amount of dollars for you to be able, or you need to be a premium subscriber so that you can turn off Smart Shuffle. And that's basically it. That's how you disable Smart Shuffle in the Spotify app.